Okay, today I'm going to be showing you my tractors and a couple other models. This is a John Deere 950 and it came with a backhoe. The arm extends that much. That's how far it extends. Bucket curls back that much. Curls forward that much. That's how far it goes down, which is quite a good depth. This is my old John Deere tractor. I can't remember what it is because the logo wore off of it. Oh yeah. This one, you just push this pin down and it detaches. See this thing. Jesus Christ. Okay, here's my two IH. IH is beast, so. Okay, so this big one, came with some shop tools, a computer, a creeper. It came with them. It came with an air thing and a gas tank, but I don't know where them are right now. And this one is a little Farmel. Doesn't say the size. They're both made by Ertl. I believe, yeah, both made by Ertl. And it shows engine detail. I don't know if you can see it. I almost thought I'd be able to hook up my John Deere backhoe to it, but it's too big. This one values at $50 with all the stuff. I got it for Christmas. My grandmother just bought me this because I started liking IH because my dad owns 3 international dump trucks. Okay. Here's my bucket loader I got when I was 2. I still had it. It went to California with me to Catalina Island. And they had really soft sand and I was there playing in the sand with it. Still pretty good shape. Used to be my favorite bucket loader to have. And I just found it not too long ago. And this is a cologne bottle that my great-grandfather had. He went through World War II and he drove a tank, and my grandmother has a tank one just like it. So hope you like. Oh wait, here's my Kenworth WA 900, I believe. I can't remember because I don't have the box to it. The wheels broke when I took them out of when I was building the model, and I just hot glued them so they don't move very good no more. It has a Caterpillar engine in it. Engine detail. Got a lot of engine detail. Cab detail. Oh yeah, that's right. Door's not open. And it's blue. Got straight stacks on it. Got 2 fuel tanks. It took me about a week to build this because me and my dad were trying to be careful and not break anything else on it.